How to change password on Discord. Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Techademy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change password on Discord. Well, Discord is a free communication app that lets you share voice, video and text, chat with friends, game communities and developers. So if you are now wondering how to change password on Discord and have no idea on how to do that, then need not worry guys, I'm here to guide you on how to change password on Discord. If you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So without any further ado, let's get into the procedure of changing password on Discord. First of all, in order to change password on Discord, you have to tap on Discord application first. So let's go ahead and tap on Discord app. After you're done tapping on Discord app, you will see this screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on your profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner. Now scroll and tap on the third option that says account, which is just above profiles. So go ahead and tap on account. Now under account information, you will get several options such as username, display name, email, phone, password. Since we are trying to change password on Discord, so go ahead and tap on password. Now you will be getting two boxes where you'll have to fill current password and fill new password in another box. So go ahead and tap on your password in the first box. Make sure you tap on your current password which you created your account with. After you're done tapping on your current password, go ahead in another box and tap on your new password which you want to change your password to. Make sure your new password must have at least 8 characters. After you're done tapping on your new password, tap on change password. It's done guys, you have changed your password on Discord account. So it was probably the easiest way to change password on Discord account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial regarding Discord. Goodbye till then.